Hi everyone, it's Alvin here. Today in this video, I will be talking about the topic web development, and I will be talking the whole process and idea behind the uh, topic that web development, and also how the things that are working in the in an application or a software or a web-based software. So. Um, don't waste time, let's get started with the video. So today in this video I will be talking about the topics that what is actually the term web development means, and also the parts that contained in the topic or the section or the branch of web development, that is the front end and backend. So when we are comparing these two branches together, it forms the whole term that we said is called web development. Okay, it is combined of both the front end and back end development. So what is actually web development? Web development means that a programmer or a group of techies that they were building some applications that we can that don't need space in our computer. It is actually stored in somewhere else in the cloud or some other computer on the server, and it runs 24 into 7, and it's all the time. So anybody in the world has an internet connection can access those software or applications through the browser. So the browser don't need any, or the computer don't need any specification for accessing those applications or something. So that is what is called a web-based application. So these are the what are the parts of the application or the web app? Okay, so the parts of the web app is, one is the front end and the other one is the back end. So these two things are very crucial. These two things development are very crucial in full stack development or full stack web development. So the front end, as we all know that front end is or we can call it as a UI. Okay, user interface. There's the one portion that the user can see and feel or experience while going through a website. Okay, when for example, if we are searching for some shopping pages or application like Flipkart or Amazon, we just go and type in the browser www.flipkart.com. So it will generate or the browser will results with some website, or typically it will the result of the flipkart.com. So when the user click on the link, it will redirect the user to another page. So it will be the landing page of the Flipkart shopping website. Okay, so the portion where the user can see and experience is called the user interface. So the front end is usually means that, or the front end is simply means that the portion of the website or the portion of the application that the user can see and experience. So that is what called the front end, and the front end is composed of many other libraries, frameworks, and also the languages such as HTML. The base are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. All the front end are built upon the basis of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and also they have another many other technologies or the frameworks or libraries such as Angular, React, and also many other CSS frameworks such as Bootstrap, Tailwind, etc. for make the front end much more interactive, and also make a good user experience for all the customers or the visitors of the web application. So that's about the front end, and there have so many things related to the front end, like the front end is basically it is composed of, I already say that it is composed of the HTML, CSS, and also the JavaScript. Okay, so these three are the major basic components of the major uh, parts of the front end. Okay, the front end is built upon these three languages, and also like I said, there we can use many more frameworks and library to make our UI much more interactive and also much more efficient, and make it as a better user experience for everyone. So that is what we called front end. Okay, the front end development consists of the development of the UI and also the experience phase and also the designing phase, etc. And when we come to the backend development, it is totally different from the front end development, because the backend is one part of the web application that the user can see, and user didn't know about that, because the user don't know about what is actually happening in the backend while the user requesting for a new web page, or some user is requesting for some web pages or applications or link, etc. So the backend is totally different from the front end developments, and the backend, which consists of so many APIs and all stuffs together. All those are bind together, and it's also consists of a database for storing the informations of the user, and product information if it product based applications or something. So these are the mainly the backend consists of the database and also the API. So these two are handled by there are so many languages, such as we all heard about Python, Node.js, and also Node.js is basically JavaScript. So .NET and PHP, and so many, there are Java, and so many languages are there for building backend. So the popular languages such as Java is a popular language, and also the Python and Node.js, those are popular frameworks and languages for building the backend development, and those are very fascinating technologies. So when we come to the point of the APIs, so the APIs are typically normally those are endpoints that we search for something in the URL after the domain name. The domain name is www.example.com. This is the part of the URL which is called a domain name, and after this or the end of the URL, which is called an endpoint. So the in backend development, the developers usually build the endpoint. Endpoint means that which is points to some resources in the application, so stored in the application, so which is called an endpoint. And the APIs are typically directed towards, also point towards the some resources. So when a user makes some call to that endpoint, it will result with some a web page or some data. The when I say data, it is in case of React or Angular, like framework that we used in front end instead of the HTML pages. So those are APIs, and also we can use the MongoDB or the SQL as a database. MongoDB is a very powerful and efficient database language, which is used for storing the unordered collection of data, and it is a NoSQL type. And also in case of SQL, there we have Postgres and MySQL and such type of databases, DBMS. And these are the parts of backend development, and these two are consist of in the term, or in the old term we called web development or full stack development. So these are the basic things that we all know, that we want to know about the basics of the introduction for the web development. So that's all I have to talk in this video. Thank you.